am Professor Rekha Pandey. I am very happy to see that Maulana Azad Urdu University, popularly known as Manu, is launching a community radio. All over the world, many of the community radio centers have created a lot of awareness. They have sensitized people and they have brought issues to people right at the village level. I am sure that this community radio will really target a lot of people who speak Urdu also, because English is a language which is not understood by many people in distant areas. And I am sure this will be a big success. I wish you all a very bright future. Thank you.